Are you worried your trading app might be more casino than Wall Street? Let's expose the risks hiding behind Pocket Option's flashy interface. Here's what every beginner should know. Pocket Option markets itself as a user-friendly trading platform, offering binary options, forex, stocks, and even crypto. But here's the kicker. It's not regulated by any top-tier financial authority. Think SEC, FCA, or ASIC. Instead, it's licensed offshore in the Marshall Islands, which means very little protection for your money. The UK's Financial Conduct Authority even issued a warning about Pocket Option, and if things go south, you're pretty much on your own. Sure, some users love the slick app and fast deposits, but others report blocked withdrawals and frozen accounts. And let's not forget the gamification features, badges and perks that make trading feel like a video game. Fun? Maybe. Risky? Absolutely. Bottom line, if you're thinking Pocket Option is a safe bet, think twice. Only use money you can afford to lose, and always read the fine print.